Hi, I like to share with you a simple pasta dish I'm preparing for tonight's dinner. This herbed pasta dish with roasted cherry tomatoes is so simple and easy to do. Your ingredients are 200 grams of pasta, 200 grams of cherry tomatoes, 2 tablespoons of pesto. Now the pesto can be green or red, whichever is in your cupboard and whichever is available. 2 tablespoons of white wine vinegar. 2 anchovy slices, although this is not necessary, it will add salt and taste. 4 tablespoons of chopped parsley, Parmesan shavings and 2 tablespoons of capers. Some salt and pepper to taste. I'm using spiral pasta, but any pasta type will do. To start with, boil your water, add a handful of salt to increase the temperature of the boiling water. Add your pasta and cook as instructed. In the meantime, prepare the paste by adding all the ingredients into a food processor. Here I'm using a mini chopper. So once you've added all the ingredients into your processor, food processor or the mini chopper, blend it, but still with texture. When done and the pasta is cooked, drain it through a colander. Add the paste and the tomatoes into the pasta and toss it until everything is mixed. Dish into individual plates. Sprinkle with some parsley and some Parmesan shavings and serve with a nice crisp green salad. Bon appetit!